In this video today, I'll be sharing with you two ways which you can open a US bank account from Algeria. The first option is wise.com. The link is in the description of this video. Once you're on this website, select open an account, enter your email address and select next to continue. What kind of account would you like to open today? Select an account type. Where do you live most of the time? Ensure your country is selected and select continue. Here, enter your phone number and send verification code. Once your phone number is verified, you'll be asked to set a password for your account. Also, be prepared to provide a piece of ID and proof of address for your account verification. Now, if I enter my phone number here, they are going to detect that I already have an account. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to log in and show you what to expect. So because I already opened my US account, you're seeing my account here and you can see that I have 3 other accounts. However, in your case, when you sign in, you'll be seeing the option to open account. So click the plus and then select open balance. From the drop down, you are going to search for United States dollars. So because I already opened my account, I can select it. So once you select your account type, then you select confirm. Now during this step, you'll be required to deposit $20. This $20 will be available for you in your account upon account verification. You can also withdraw that money after your account is verified. So here I'm just going to step back to the main page. So once your account is open, you can just select your account type. And then at the top of the screen, you select your account number. And then on this page, you will see your account details. So you can use this account to send and receive money. You can also withdraw money directly to your bank account when your account is open. However, you may incur telegraphic charges when the money is deposited to your bank account. So ensure you check your bank to see what the charges are like. From time to time, Wise do change their policy and sometimes countries that are supported are removed from the list. So if when you check and Wise is not working out for you, then you can use Payoneer.com, which is pretty reliable and stable over the years. So the link for this will be in the description as well. So on this page, you will select what best applies to you, right? And continue. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in and show you what to expect. It is similar to Wise because you are able to hold bank accounts in different currencies. Now, one drawback is that you can only accept payments, right? So if I was supposed to send you some money to your US bank account, it will not work. But if you receive a payment, that will be deposited to your account without any issues. And once your account is set, you can withdraw money directly to your bank account. So in this case, to open another bank account, I'll go to bank accounts, select receiving accounts, select request accounts, select next. Select the account type that you want to open and then select next. And that's pretty much it. So once you successfully verify the account, you shouldn't have any issues. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.